Okay, so I just recorded, I accidentally recorded backwards. I recorded my final project first. I almost forgot this, but don't worry, I still remember. Now this assignment, which I thought was, when you first look at it, it's one of those assignments when you first look at it and you're just like, I don't understand what you're trying to say. But doing it, reading over it, looking at the examples, I finally was able to figure out. Basically, this is the class assignment in which it acts as a function in a way. It, from my understanding of it, all it does is it's a different type of way of recalling different, what's it? It's basically a different way of recalling different blocks of code um, using the class. Now, let me just show you what my program does in a quick second. So basically, right over here, that's me doing any sort of math. So base multiplication, addition, multiplication, subtraction, subtract, add, multiply, then divide. Made it really complicated, I don't know why. And then over here is where I did a printout in which you basically, this is a different assignment. So it's or acts as a variable, sorry. Math, Bob, Penny acts as different variables, and basically you can recall whatever you want whenever you call off that variable. So for math over here, this is basically what you recall. Now, if you just recall math, it gets confused because there's 4 different things that you can recall. You can recall this, recall that, this. So basically that's why I use the dot indicator in which you are able to recall whichever argument that you want. So the first one I recalled multiply and subtract. So if you do math dot multiply and subtract, it will just recall this function. Likewise, if you recall add or multiply or subtract, add, multiply, and then divide, ran out of breath, then it recalls individual functions. And over here, I look at this as a printout in which you can print out different things based on what you assign it to. So here I just did math. Here I just did characteristics of a person. So basically name, hair, and eyes, and then I did again name, hair, and eyes. So to show you that it works, if you press start, you can do it. I believe in you. So as you can see, let me just show you alongside here. Basically, this is the math portion. So it's able to recall this. So I did multiply and subtract. So basically it says 5 times 20 equals 100 minus 6, and you get 94. And it just says add, so then you get 11. You multiply these two, you get 3250. Oh geez. And then you stop moving. And then you do this long complicated function and you get this. Now that's one thing. The next function is right here. This is the characteristics of Bob, and then the next characteristics of Penny. So, and then you press enter and it ends. And that's pretty much it. It's basically recalling blocks of code as a function, but now you don't have to go through the static void thing, which that got complicated fast. If you look at my final project video, I did all those static void. I did literally all the static void. I did the exact opposite of what I was supposed to do, which was not a good thing. So that's pretty much it. And I hope you were able to understand what I did. I'm going to say this, I'm not an expert programmer. I'm just a beginner. So if you're watching it, don't follow in a way, just follow my reasoning or my talking in which I'm trying to explain. Don't listen to me in terms of instruction. Just listen to me in terms of entertainment or trying to follow along what I did. All right. Thanks.